Meaning of endeavor.
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 Endeavor. Endeavor refers to making a determined and conscientious effort towards achieving a particular goal or objective. It reflects the idea of persevering through challenges, obstacles or setbacks in order to attain success. As a result, when one endeavors, they demonstrate qualities of resilience, determination, hard work, and commitment. These attributes increase the likelihood of achieving the desired outcome, whether it be personal or professional. Furthermore, the process of endeavoring can also provide a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction, regardless of the end result.